What's up, gang? Today I am doing some good old, you know, streaming here. Okay. So I just decided to randomly start streaming. So no announcements or anything like that. Just going out here and doing whatever. So today I'm just gonna put stuff onto the website, or really just add stuff to my database so that you guys can find more POIs to download and put in your UEFN maps. So I'm just gonna do this real quick to set this up. This is my little script that I made, which makes this um, that makes this process a lot easier for me. It kind of just like automates it. So let's pull up the drive and chapter 2 tutorial. Okay, so we've got everything up now. I'm gonna get rid of that. Five. What's up, guys? Um, I am gonna be like clicking on this for chat too, so feel free to type in if you have suggestions for what you want me to add. So let me just put this in the chat real quick. Sign into chat. Oh, alright, it wants me to do all that. I'm not doing all that right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just pull it up on my phone, and then I'll have chat up on my phone since I actually don't have a second monitor. It's kind of annoying. Alright, hold up. So I see a couple of you guys have already put one, but I'm putting that message there for anybody that just comes into the stream and doesn't know what's happening. So put Sweaty Sands in. Okay, I can do that. Make chapter 5 season 3. So the problem is I don't have chapter 5 season 3 downloaded, Vin. So I wouldn't be able to access the files right now. I mean, I'd have to like get a download link for that, and I'd have to download it. I just have a chapter 2 version downloaded right now. So I'm pretty sure Sweaty should just be, let's just do Apollo POI Sweaty. Alright, well, that didn't SS. Apollo POI Sunny Shores. Alright, I don't know why it's called Sunny Shores, but alright, so here's the UMAP for it. Apollo POI Sunny Shores. Save the properties to that. And then I'm going to use my handy dandy converter. So UMAP to UEFN converter. I'm going to upload my JSON file. And then I need to go to my F model. Output. Oops, wrong thing. Exports. Game. Nope. It's Fortnite game. Content. Maps. 5x5. Alright, well that one's not it. Athena. Apollo. Maps. POI. Apollo POI Sunny Shores. Convert to UEFN. Copy. Download. Alright, so somebody said they wanted Sweaty, so here is Sweaty. Alright, so this is like all over the place, but here's sweaty. And if I just move this up, oh, okay. Bro, it's like the worst time you can pick a save. Oh, holy bombaclot, bro. Please. Okay, so if alright, here's sweaty. This is just the U map. Okay. Yep, that definitely looks right. Cool. So there's sweaty. And now I'll get the buildings for sweaty. This will come on. Alright, so I'm gonna put this into my thing. So POI scripts, name locations, new folder, sweaty sands. Alright, so now if I just drag this in here, Sunny Shores, rename this to something that people can actually understand. Sweaty Sands layout. Okay. And do Misty Meadows. And can you do the shark? Yes, I can do the shark. Yes, I can do Misty. Yo, what's up, Iron? What's up, Gale, maybe? Can you put the grotto? So, fun fact, the grotto is already there. So if you go to the website and, you know, you go to search for files, type in grotto, and if you type in grotto, you're going to notice that the grotto is already there. So all of the grotto buildings and the grotto layout that I have are there. There are a couple files that I did add yesterday that aren't in this zip file. You know what? Let me actually put that in there for you guys right now. Just the ones that are not in the zip. Hold on. Just give me 1 second. So I think it's this one, this one, this one, and I think, is that it? I don't know. I could just honestly like zip it again, and I'm pretty sure it's these three that are in the zip. But let me double check that. Hold on. Tower, tower, tower. Yeah, okay, so it's just those. How many are in there? 2, 3, 4, not 9 items. Okay. 2, 3. 3 out of how many total? 12? Okay, so it's just these 3 that aren't in there then. So let me get that set up for y'all. Okay. Alright, hold on. More tools. Nope, that's not what I want. Windows V. Nope, okay, cool. So my script is not in here anymore. That's really fun. Let me just type this out real quick, guys. So what this does for me is this just makes it a lot easier for me to actually add stuff to this database. So we've got dot for each entry. We'll do a function that yeah, really this is all I need. Okay. For each entry, let's do let's make a variable for text ones. entry dot inner text plus \n and then console.log that. Alright. Wait. Entry dot inner text. That's not actually a thing, is it? Hold on. It's text content. That's so weird. Wait, what? For each entry, query selector all. Oh, whoops. Okay, there we go, guys. So let me take the Mountain Cave 01, Mountain Base Security. This is just more grotto stuff that's not already there, so I'm just gonna add that. And then grotto, the grotto layout, copy these search terms for this. Okay. So now if you type in the grotto on the website, you will get 5 results because I just added the stuff that's not in the zip. So as I work on this, I'm going to make it so everything's more organized. But for now, you guys actually have access to everything on the site now if you type in grotto. I just had to add that there. What's up? Do Dirty Docs. Do you have the agency? I do have the agency. I can put the agency in there too. And Slurpy Swamp would be good in Steamy Stacks. Slurpy Swamp and Steamy Stacks and agency. Okay, cool. So that tells me that I'm gonna do probably Slurpy or something. Let's look for Slurpy. Let's do Slurpy. Alright, so Slurpy Swamp, those are all U assets, that's not what I want. I want U maps. CP props, that's creative. Apollo POI, Slurpy Swamp 01 U map, so this is what I want. Alright, so let's do Slurpy. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys this real quick in UEFN. Alright, so Slurpy. Here's Slurpy. It's pretty cool. Yeah, alright. Nice. Okay, so there's Slurpy. There's the layout for it. I'm gonna get the buildings next. Okay. Let me first add this to my, my drive here. Slurpy Swamp. And let's go ahead and drag this in here. So, by the way, guys, the database is updating in real time, so you can go to the site and type this in, and not yet, but in a second I'll tell you when. And you will actually be able to download this already. Not yet, but I'm just gonna get this set up here. Let's copy that link. Okay, oops. Slurpy Swamp, Swamp, Slurpy, Slurpy Slurp, Slurp, Juice, Slurp, Juice, Chapter 2, Season 12, Season 11, layout, cool. Should be good for that. Slurpy Swamp. So now, if you go to the website and you type in Slurpy, you're gonna notice that there are two results actually, because this rig dock is in the swamp, so this is also under Slurpy Swamp. So in the database, this is also under Slurpy Swamp. That's why when you type in Slurpy, this will also appear, which is pretty cool. So I'm working on optimizing search, like I'm trying to make it better for you guys. So just let me cook with that. Yo, what's up, you boy Dragon? How you been, man? It's been a while. Alright, so now guys, look at all this here. So, oh, those are prefabs. I don't know if I don't really want prefabs in here, because prefabs don't have everything, you know what I'm saying? Like, prefabs are always missing pieces, so I feel like I don't want to put a prefab in there at all. Yeah, like, look at these. These are creative maps. These are all creative prefabs. Like, those are not good. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna type in Apollo 5 by 12, or maybe 16 by 16 will have the factory. If we do 16 by 16, because it's a big area. Oh, yep, look at that. Apollo 16 by 16 Swamp Factory. So, let's do that. This is a big file. Maps, POI, nope. Buildings, 16 by 16 Swamp Factory, convert, copy to clipboard, paste. Let's look at this real quick. Alright, you're gonna see it's taking a while. Oh wow, okay, so here is the entire Slurp factory. So the reason why I didn't want to use the prefab is because the prefab doesn't have everything. You see how this literally has everything? Because this is taken directly from the game. So this has everything. The prefab, it does not have everything. That's why I don't ever use the prefabs when I'm, you know, importing buildings and stuff. So here's the entire Slurpy Swamp factory, everything. So that's cool. I'm gonna turn off Fortnite grid snapping because it just messes it up. So this will load. Hold on, sorry, it's like taking a while. Ugh, come on. There we go. So I'm gonna add this into Slurpy now. So if we go here, oh wait, that's not the right one. Oops. Hold on. I didn't download this one yet. Download. And then if we go to Slurpy, pluck that in there. Okay, so Apollo Mountain Base Building B. That's the grotto, which I already have that loaded in there. Okay. So what if we do like Apollo 5 by 5? That's a lot. House, gas station, Holly gardening store. Dirty. Oh, there's a lot of Dirty Dock stuff in here, so I might as well do that too. Swamp Depot, Swamp Depot. Okay, cool. So, this is Slurpy Swamped here, I know that for a fact. So, let's put that in here. Swamp Factory, Swamp Depot B, convert, copy, just download that, put this in there for you guys. Hold on. Swamp Depot A, convert, download. Okay. Now I'm gonna put these in the map or in the website now. So hold on. I've got a system for getting these prepared for you guys. It's very fast. So if I just do this real quick. You guys see how quick this is? Like, it does not take that long. I'm gonna switch this. So, Slurp Juice, Swamp, Building this time. And then we're gonna do. So I'm gonna add in, my next project is to start adding in images of the maps. So I'm gonna get out of this and just make a new project real quick. Let's go to Island Templates, blank. Chapter 2 scripts preview is what I'll make. We'll save that. Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna go back to F model. Swamp Depot. Boat Rental Boardwalk. Okay, Apollo Swamp. What if I type that in? Hopefully it'll give me the rest of my Slurpy Swamp stuff. Okay, so these are Swamp Stilted House. So this isn't exactly Slurpy, but this is like the oh, what's it called? What was it called? You guys know, oh, Shantytown. Yeah, that's what they called it. Like the squatter settlement. So if I'm actually gonna put that in my landmarks. So just do Shantytown real quick. And let me put that in there. Stilted, Apollo, Swamp, Stilted House A, Stilted House B. Alright, now let me add a also, whenever I type in Salty Springs, it does not show up. Really? Also, what's up, Snowy Silence, which I think you're TLA, right? Or, yeah. Salty. Oh, you're right. That's so weird. Okay. Let me fix that. Oh, you know what? I might have forgotten to put Salty in here. That's my bad. Oops. Okay. Let me put Salty in there for you guys. Sorry about that. That is definitely my bad. Alright, so let's just do this. And then we'll do this. I'll generate. And give me all these links for y'all. By the way, I developed this code and stuff for all this, so I had to make all this myself. It's all custom. Completely custom scripts and everything. So if we do that, Salty White House, text files, now let me do this, Salty Springs, Season 12, Season 11, Building, Chapter 2, okay. Now, if we do that, Alright, so those buildings have just been entered into the database. Now I need to do the salty gas station and the layout. So if we do um, share, oh wait, actually, let me just do all three of these. Copy links. Let's do. Alright. Now let me just do this again. Salty gas station. Salty Springs. This is chapter 9. What's layout? Layout. Okay, so now if you type in salty, you're gonna get 8 results. Salty White House. So salty houses. That's not a text file. That's actually a zip. Let's fix that. Okay, so if I do this again now, salty. Alright, so now salty houses zip. And then you also have your layout, which is not called salty layout, but let me change that. Alright, now it'll be called salty layout. So you have your salty layout, salty houses, zip file, and then all of your individual salty stuff, all of your individual salty houses and buildings and such. So I'm gonna be done with that now. Okay, so I just added salty. Salty stuff is now in there. Sorry about that. Yo, what's up, Kacha? How's it going, man? Water body swamp islands. So if I like put this into, I want to know what this will. Okay. Okay, so now somebody else asked me for dirty. Swamp dock house, swamp stilt house, swamp ruined house, swamp station, swamp office, swamp. Okay, I didn't do the swamp station or the swamp office yet. Let me first finish Slurpee and then I'll do swamp office, swamp station. Okay, convert, download, swamp office, convert, download. And then let me put this in my swamp ruined house, swamp stilt house, a ruined house, swamp dock house, swamp ruined house, swamp dock house. Holy crap, there are so many swamp things. Swamp shack, swamp shack B, swamp shack C, swamp factory A. I already got that. Okay. Oh wait, oops, I didn't mean to do that. Swamp station, swamp. Did I get the swamp station? Swamp station, swamp office. Okay, we got those. Swamp dock house, download. Swamp ruined house, download. Swamp stilt house, download. Swamp dock house. Swamp ruined house B. House swamp A. Okay. These are all Shantytown, I'm pretty sure. So if we do swamp dock house, swamp ruined house, swamp stilt house, swamp dock house, swamp ruined house, swamp. Okay, so how many items is that? 8. How many do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, cool. Now if we go back here, let's do Swamp Factory, Roadside Swamp. That's not what we want. US it, US it, US it, US. Okay. Okay, so if we have Swamp Depot A, Swamp Depot B, Swamp Office, Swamp Station. Okay. Swamp Office. Did I put Swamp Office in there? Snurpy Swamp, Swamp. Nope. Okay. Swamp Office, Swamp Station, Swamp Depot A, Swamp Depot B, Swamp Station. Okay. So I think Depot A. Oh wait, I already have Depot A and B. Oops. House. Okay. Swamp Depot A. Alright, I think that's everything. For that. HollowSwamp.u map. Yup. 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 Okay. Cool. I think I have everything for Slurpy Swamp. So somebody asked me for right, I finished Slurpee UEFN map. You can give it out. It's a description of my first chapter 2 tutorial vid. Oh, awesome. Alright, thank you. Thanks, Thrax. Love you, dude. No homo. Also, what's good, Thrax? Sorry, I didn't actually see you. See you for a sec. Hey guys, ever watch Mr. Nightmare? I love Mr. Nightmare. It's actually like fire. Love Mr. Nightmare. I'm gonna watch these videos. I haven't actually watched these yet. I have to watch those. Alright, cool. So, how's it going, Thrax, by the way, man? How's it going? Alright, where am I going? I'm going to Thrax's channel, which I think he's gotta be one of my top, subscriptions. How to validate, chapter 2, maybe it's this one. 12.50. Alright, wait, what just happened there? Nope, that's Fortnite builds. Oops. Okay, so maybe it's in this one then. Ah, here it is. Finish POIs. Alright, so whoever was asking for Misty, alright, whoever was asking for Misty, you're in luck because Thrax is letting me put these on my website for you guys to download, so you guys should be thanking Thrax. All thanks to Thrax. Look at that. Okay. Cool. So I'm probably just going to double check these download links because sometimes they're weird. I don't know why, but this is a big ass file. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh man. Hello? 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 Alright. Slurpswamp.zip. Cool, the link works. So what I'll do is um I'll just take the direct link here. Alright. Cool. Misty. Slurpy Swamp Full POI. Zip. Zip. Slurpy Swamp. Instead of building, I'm gonna put full POI. POI. And then I don't actually have anything for Misty yet, so we'll do Misty Meadows. Misty Meadows Meadow juice, slurp juice, we don't need that. Meadow chapter 2 full POI. Alright, so now if you guys search up Slurpee on the website, Slurpee, press enter, you're gonna get a few different things. Well, you shouldn't get the Misty Meadows full POI. Okay, I don't know why. Alright, oops. I just flip-flopped these, that's my bad. Okay. Let's fix that. Okay, now you should get Slurpy Swamp. Okay, now you should get this full Slurpy Swamp POI. So, it should say Slurpy Swamp full POI .zip. Yeah. It's in all caps because it's important. Um, I'll probably start making search priority for you guys. So, what it will do is, if like something is in priority, it will show up first. So like you probably would want the Slurpy Swamp full POI to show up before Shantytown Rig Dock. I mean, right? So, I'll start working on a link priority system so that like the more important ones will be prioritized in your search results. That way, you know, it's just more obvious. So, you know, if you type in Misty, only one thing's gonna come up, but one result's Misty Meadows full POI. Now let's do Apollo Misty.umap. Okay, cool. Meadows. Mountain Meadows. Like, why, Epic? Epic? Why, dude? Why? Why? Mountain.umap. This is literally just the grotto. Straight grotto. Mountain Meadows. Okay, so whatever. I don't know. I'll just leave that like that for now. What should we do now, guys? It's a UEFN project file, but you could open the project and copy and paste everything into a text document. Yeah, let me mess around with that real quick, Thrax. Let me actually download the thing. So I'm just gonna go to my website and do it. Slurpy Swamp full POI. Oh yeah, I already have it. Whoops. Okay, let me open this up. Open. extract. Oof. Oh my goodness. That's wow. That's hold on. Is this wait. Downloads Slurpy Swamp. Slurpswamp.umap. Okay, so this is probably what I want here. Boo, 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 boo. Yo, what's up, Sean? What's up, Leox? Would you do a full POI for every Chapter 2, Season 2 location? Yes, of course I will, dude. Am I still able to maybe have some 1.0 props? Ugh. Ooh. Um, I don't really work in 1.0 that much anymore just because I feel like 1.0 is kind of dead at this point. So, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that for you. I'm really sorry. Sorry, man. I don't really work in 1.0 anymore. But yeah, honestly, UEFN is just where it's at nowadays, guys. I don't know what else to say. It's just where it's just where it's at. You feel me? UEFN's where it's at. It's where it's at. Okay, hold on. So if I do type of file, can I like convert this into so what happens if I open it with Notepad? I just want to oh wow, that is that is not um so if I like put this in here, I want to see what happens. It has to be in JSON file, JSON UMap to JSON, I wonder. UE parse, installation, convert assets to JSON. Go to file, open, download zip. Open with GitHub desktop. No. Okay, wait. So, readme setup.py. Minimal installation with texture decoders. Oh, you know what? Why don't we do that? Why not? Alright, hold on, guys. I have to pull up my terminal real quick. So, if we do that. Alright, well, obviously that's not going to work because, well. Collecting. Cool. Resolved. Installing build dependencies. Hopefully I didn't just install a virus. If I did, you guys are to blame. I'm just kidding. Installing backend. Whoa, okay, this is wow. Wow, that's holy crap. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Wow, that's a lot. UE4 per parse. So I wonder if Alright, so hold on here, you guys. Um, how do I actually do this? So if there's an example, notes for developers, person loading. Let's go to README. Installation features, usages. I mean, I'd have to write to the JSON file. Um, all right, I'm gonna head out. Right. Have an amazing day. Yeah, you too, man. Nice to see you. And please, you're the only person I know that has present park unreleased props. Please, man. I don't know, man. Could you get us the graphics for chapter 2? Yes, I could. I could definitely figure out how to do that. Details of localization. Yo, what up, Tyler? What's up, man? What's up, Tyler? Okay, so you guys, these are all of your these are all of your guys' search terms. So, terrain, grotto, agency, Slurpee, Misty. I think those are mine. So it'd be these. Flopper Pond. Somebody was searching for Flopper Pond, Caddy Corner, Shantytown. I'm not sure. Did I add Shantytown to the website yet? Oh yeah, I did not. Um, oh, somebody searched for Logjam. Okay. What am I doing right now, Tyler? I am adding new stuff to the database and looking at people's search terms. So this is what people have searched up recently, you guys. I'm gonna add in the Shantytown stuff. Shantytown. Um, let's copy those links. Alright, so page 1, let's paste that in. Shantytown, Swamp, Slurpee. Let's just type in Swamp. Swamp. Season 12, Chapter 2. Building. Season 12, Season 11. Be right back. Alright, back. Nice. Sean, I'm sorry. I know you want pleasant houses, bro, but I don't think I can give you them. Alright, hold up, you guys. Let me just add in these names for Shantytown. And now if you type in Shantytown into the search, you will see that you have all of this stuff from Shantytown now. You can download all of those files. So I'm going to add in so hold up. Let me just Python file, import logging. Package dictionary get dicts. JCR, good luck, thanks. Alright, hold on guys. Let me try to get this Python file set up. Python parser. Package path. Okay, so what I need to do is download Thrax's thing to my computer. It should already be downloaded, so let me pull up my files real quick. Slurpyswamp.umap. Alright. Copy path. Copy as path. Fortnite. Okay. Yo, what's up, Tyler? Wait, hold on. Python I think I can just type in parser.py. Python parser.py. No module named UE parse. Ugh. Yo, what's up, Tyler? Yeah, Tyler, I don't know how to do this. Wait, what is happening here? Holy crap. Um, no, 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 no. Hold on, serpswamp.umap. Yeah, there's definitely got to be an easier way to do this. Uh-huh. Slurp Swamp. Plug in Slurp Swamp. Content. Yeah, if I try putting this in UEFN, how does that, what happens if I do that? Y'all feel me? if I put this in UEFN, copy, let's go to downloads. Wait, hold on. Alright, you know what, guys? I don't know where this is. So, Chapter 2 scripts preview. The heck? Wait, where did I save this, dude? Is it Chapter 2 scripts? Brr, what? I'm sorry, what? Okay. I don't know. Wait, where is it? The heck? That's so goofy. Projects. I guess I could just do that. Oh, UEFN project MISC. That's where it is. Alright, plugins, preview, content. Um, so what happens there? Slurp swamp level. Wait. So can I just like throw this? Levels that use one file per actor cannot be moved on disk without the editor or the migration tool. Ah, cool. That's really great. We need more people here, for real? Yeah, I know. Okay. Y'all, I think I'm probably gonna take a break for a bit. We've been streaming for an hour and five. I need to go eat. And yeah. So, I'll catch you guys in a little while, okay? Alright, peace.